If you have any questions, probably you have an idea you want to add to this content, we are open to suggestions. We have in mind to invite and interview architects, engineers who have experience in this field, years of experience. And we definitely they will be sharing their knowledge based on the challenges. Even we're going to be interviewing clients who has done series of projects, different set of projects, high-rise estates. They're going to explain the challenges, the mistake they made, to direct you and guide you to avoid such mistake and error too. As you can see now, government is going about telling occupants in Lagos and residents that you have to ensure your buildings is approved. That's one of the important things you need to take care of. Sorry. Nǹkan táwọn sọ ni pé tẹ bá ní ìbéèrè ẹ rán sí wa, a ó dá yín lóhùn. Ẹ má gbàgbé èdè Yorùbá là ń sọ níbí báyìí. So ẹni tí ó bá mọ Yorùbá ń sọ kó lọ wá translator àbí kó lọ kọ. Ìbéèrè tẹ bá ní àbí ìmọ̀ràn tẹ bá fẹ́ fún wa, ẹ fún wa. Bọ̀ láìpẹ́ yìí, a ó máa lọ wá bá àwọn àwòyọ̀wọ́ ilé tó mọṣẹ́, tó ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ tipẹ́tipẹ́, kó tó bí ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn Gen Z, sorry, mi ò ṣe Gen Z, kó tó bí àwọn ọ̀pọ̀ Gen Z àti millennial tó ti ń kọ́ ilé. Àwọn lè máa ń kọ́ ilé òwò mọ́ wọn, wọ́n ní 20 years experience, wọ́n ní 30 years experience, wọ́n dé ilé òwò rí, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń kọ́, ó ń dúró, ó dárayá. Ẹ ṣé o, ire o.